Hello everyone, it is Wednesday, December, oh my god, 16th? Yeah, 16th. And I'm on lunch from work and I'm going to eat soup and a sandwich. So let's get to it. The rest of the soup, which is now more like just noodles. I think I'm gonna make a little bit of nachos instead. Yeah. Okay, cheese, onion, olives, jalapenos. Just gonna heat this up. Benzo. This is my favorite soup, I swear. Like childhood. One layer of chippies, a little bit of cheese, another layer of chippies, cheese on top of that, and then I'm going to put the meat. This we've used for like the entire week almost. So meat, perfect. Onion. I want to cook the onion with the cheese and the meat. A lot of onion. I love onion. Awesome. So I'm gonna heat this up and then put the rest of the stuff on top. Movie of the night, the second Charlie Brown Christmas.
She had trivia. Who knew there was a second Charlie Brown Christmas?
Yeah, who knew? I didn't know.
Good morning. Would you like to buy a Christmas?
Alright, my last video just went up. Pretty much these have been all the videos that I've been posting. The last one is interesting. So pretty much I talk about my mental health and how it's been, which hasn't been really good. Interesting. I don't know what's really affecting my mental health and what's causing so much stress and anxiety. But I wanted to end the vlog here for day 16. And then tomorrow I can start anew. I had to double up on my days because I was running behind, but it's okay. I just give myself time. It doesn't matter. I mean, it's gonna go up anyway. So I'm gonna go to sleep and I'll see you guys later. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another vlog. Bye. Okay, we're making cod pan fried. I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. It's really simple. I buy the cod in bags. I'll show you. Okay, so I buy them in these bags here, and there comes, I think, 8. And they're pretty small, so I make quite a bit. But it says here to dip fish in flour and fry until golden brown, so that's what I'm going to do. All right, I'm gonna use 2 these, and I'll show you guys. So the pan is already there. It's already being heated with oil. So let's get this done. Oh my god, too much maybe? You want to make sure that you season with salt, cayenne, garlic powder, some thyme leaves. There we go. Some milk. Right, let's dip it. Cool. Ooh, let it sit there for a little bit, actually. Nice. going to put this here. This is what right? What drawing? Oh, no. I think I did this wrong. Anyway, ooh, that looks good. There we go. Next one, the other hand. Perfect. And then put it in here. Okay, Google, set timer for 4 minutes.
4 minutes, and that's starting now.
All right, the next two. Putting that in there. Cool. Cool beans. All right, let that soak in a little bit. Doing also some green beans. Let's get back. Good morning. It is Friday. Oh, it's Friday. So, I didn't vlog that much yesterday because there was an issue. We realized that our water heater is leaking. Oh, bad lighting. Our water heater is leaking, so we had to file a claim with our insurance. And then we called the plumber, and I just didn't vlog any of that because I just didn't have, I don't know, I just didn't think of vlogging at that time. But pretty much, I'll show you guys. Let's see if it's gotten worse. It's so cold outside. All of that is water damage. And back here, water damage. Because it's considered like water damage, they're putting priority on it. So they're gonna call us this morning and so that we can start the process of getting all that ripped up and get a new water heater. You know, homeowner stuff. It sucks. Anyway, I have 10 minutes until I have to go to work, so I'm gonna eat my breakfast, which I'm eating egg bites that I made. And these are the egg bites that I heated up because I only have 2. And I always eat it with ketchup. So I'm also editing the last 2 VLOGMAS. Oh, and the podcast comes out today. If you guys don't know, used Question Crunch. So the next episode that's going to be up is number 31, Fahima's Pink Unicorn Breakfast. It's going to be up at 8 a.m. this morning. So check it out. And also check out all the other ones because we need more viewers. So make sure you guys check it out. Okay, bye. I thought I'd share with you guys, may this day be the day to lead us to peace, to happiness, and to joy. Yes, please. Hi guys. Good morning, or good afternoon. Good afternoon. It's
Good
almost 6
evening.
o'clock evening.
Evening.
Um,
Good evening.
For dinner today, we're gonna have crispy chicken strips because we're adults, and extra crispy tater tots. All right, hello everyone. This is Angie from the future. Sunday. I was horrible at vlogging on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, mostly because our whole water heater issue happened. So we've been having to deal with that, and I haven't really picked up the camera to vlog because we've been having people come here and do like adjust, what is it, insurance people that come like determine like how much it's going to be to fix or whatever. So I haven't really picked up the camera. So at this point, I just wanted to end the vlog here for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And then Saturday was actually a fun vlog because I decorated and I did a gingerbread house. So I wanted to do that one on its own. So you'll probably see 2 vlogs today, and then I'll do another one for today.